couple key plays in the game just to ask you about what you saw, the interception at the goal line, just revisiting that play, and then the catch you made, followed by the deep interception.
Yeah. The first interception was bad quarterbacking. So, the team trusts you to put the ball in your hands and make good decisions with it, and that was a terrible decision. So it's unfortunate because those cost you the game, and I got to do a better job.
I've always been proud of them, and I told those guys that. I said I think sometimes they don't see in them what I see in them, and I know we have a good football team, and I think they showed it today, and they've shown it at other times during the season. In the last 2 weeks, we didn't show it, and that's what was disappointing for them. But I think we got contributions. I thought defensively the pressure we got on the quarterback was instrumental today. But then when you have a block kick for a touchdown, you have an interception return for a touchdown, and a punt return for a touchdown, it takes those things to win in this stadium against this coach, that coach, and that quarterback. So
Didn't finish. Had opportunities. As I mentioned, I went for it on 4th and 2, thinking that would certainly give after the long drive and the amount of time used up in the drive, I thought that was the play at that time. I still do. Obviously, we didn't score there. We had an interception there. They drove, kicked field goal, and then we didn't do anything with the ball again.
I got to find reasons to holler at them and make sure that we're improving each week. There's time to look back on the journey and enjoy it, but this isn't it, especially on a Thursday night week. Oh, this was a big game, big game. We had to have this to even it back up. This kind of makes up for losing the one at home, and to be able to win all 3 road games in our division is huge for us.
We really needed that one, obviously playing against a team that was hot and, a good football team. So big win for us. Yeah, it took almost everybody on the roster. We had, next man stepping up is that old saying, but it was true there. We had a few injuries. We had Brooks out with a shoulder, Gilmore obviously out with a shoulder, and then Tony Stewart out with a back, and that happened early. So we were down a little bit, but it was I thought, we bruised a lot, but we never cut. So I thought that was good on defense.